Finally, welcome back to the channel, guys, and I hope you all are doing great. And I know you guys are gonna be like, "Ah, Shreyans said this is the last time. It was a long time and no video, and he was busy and this and that." But this time, I have no regrets. I know I took my time. It's actually been a long time since the past video, and thank you so much for the love that you put on the last video. I like the comments, yeah, guys. It's just amazing how you guys are reacting to so many things about my life, and I just love it. But that's not the topic today. So the reason why I took an off is not because I was very busy. Indeed, I was, but there was something I wanted to actually. I was working on a project, and I had this in my head for a while now, and finally I was like, let's just do it. Let's just put time. So apart from my daily routine, lectures, and all of that, I had to invest a lot of more time, and this was something I did for the first time. Actually, I'd done it long back when I was in college, but now I thought I'd be like, let's give it a try. Let's see how it turns out. And I'm so happy to tell you guys that now we have our own. Let's roll the intro first. So guys, I'm sure you guys are completely thinking that यार 15 दिन हो गए यार 15 दिन ऐसा क्या कर रहा था जो वो भी हमारे लिए जो इतने वीडियोस नहीं आए nothing nowhere. I mean, I think I was so inactive on Instagram. I haven't posted anything for like, I don't know when was the last time I posted, actually not even a story for that matter. So if you also, yaar, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go check it out. Yeah, that's it. Do it right now. You have time. Pause it and do it. Okay, never mind. So coming back to today's video, the whole reason why it took me so much time to make this video and put this thing in front of you is that, yeah, it was something that I wanted to put all my head into. I didn't want distractions because that's how it works. You know, if it's good, you guys will love it, and you guys will, and that's all. That's all I want out of you. Now, let me tell you what it is. So I have been working on my own website for the past 15 days, and it is finally live. If you guys want to see it, you can check it right here. Okay, wait. Before you go there and check it, I would like to tell you why was the reason for me to make this, and how is it going to benefit you all apart from these videos already that I'm making on YouTube. So to be very frank, this idea of making a website was in my mind for a very long time, but I was not understanding that why would I only make a website for myself. I'm not an artist or something that I put forward a portfolio or something. And I mean, it as a pilot, I didn't actually know. Okay, now then I actually was thinking, and it just came into my mind that apart from the videos that I'm already posting on this channel, I get a lot of queries in DMs on Instagram, and the things are very, very specific. Some things are very general as well. Like some people ask me on computer number, they ask me on board verification, they ask me on classes, they ask me about where should I do my flying and all of that sort. And sometimes I'm just like, okay, I've already made a video on that. It's really difficult for me to, answer every single query separately because it gets repetitive. So then I thought, why not I start blogging? And I love reading and writing, and that is one reason I thought, let's make a website, put it out there, help these guys out, and whatever it is, it's just gonna be beneficial for all of you in the long run. So let's just simply summarize what this whole website is about and how is it gonna help you. Okay. Now on this website, I'm gonna put a lot of blogs that me and my team will be writing, and these will not only be focused on aviation, but they'll be focused on productivity, about what are good habits, how you can make the most of the time you have in your day, and also, and of course, aviation as well. So these are the things that currently will be the niche, and that's what we'll be focusing on. And not only that, but you can also get a membership. Now the membership currently is completely free for all of you, all of my subscribers. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. You just go sign up through Google or whatever. You can make an email ID or anything of that sort, and all of the content that is on the website will be available to you. And you'll get timely messages, you'll get newsletters, you'll get whenever we are starting a new batch at Maverick Aviation, anything related to news in aviation, all the updates will be right in your inbox directly. Also, with time, I'll be putting up a lot of books, a lot of content that you can download directly from the website. Things are still in progress, everything is not sorted out. There'll be a lot of updates coming from time to time. And also, the reason for making this video is that I want you guys to tell me what more I should put in there. Please go visit the website, give it like 5-10 minutes of your time, surf through it, read the blogs. If there is something that you do not like, is there something you think can be better, just tell me, I'll implement it. Put it down in the comments. If not, you can also DM me and I'll be more than happy to implement it if it's really something that can help all of you and your friends, all of you, the family. Also, I want to name this community. Okay, now I've named the website on Captain Maverick, of course, why not? But I want this community to grow. I want people to know that yeah, it's not difficult to be a pilot if you know everything, and you can be a good one, and you can get a job as well over a period of time. I won't say कि यार चलो आज कल job मिल जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. But yeah, I want to raise awareness, and that's the whole point of this channel. So if you have been my subscriber, also one thing I've noticed, guys, a lot of you see my videos but don't subscribe. Like I'll show you the graph like this. Why? I mean, if you love content, the only thing that creators or YouTubers ask is just help us out by subscribing. It makes a lot of difference. Every like, every comment, every share, every subscriber tells the algorithm to show it to more guys. And that is how we grow, and that is how people get to know. And you're basically helping someone out. Okay, so that's the least you can do. Do subscribe if you think the content is good. And I hope you guys will register. I hope you guys check it out again. If there are is there anything that you think is wrong in the website, or you think that can be better, tell me down below. I'll see you there. And from today, I've made a schedule, and that schedule is pretty awesome. I'm gonna try and put 2 videos every week, and one video will be related to my life, the other will be informative. Also, I'm actually get a bit out of topics as well, so tell me if there is something you specifically want, and I'll try and make a video on that. Comment down below again. Also, if you like the website, do come here, leave a like out here, and I'll make my day. So with that said, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you there, here, on Instagram and everywhere. And like I always say, guys, stay golden. See you on the other side.